What's up, everybody? Yes, you are watching 1992 Pokemon. Don't adjust your computer. But I got a new camera. Surprise, surprise, everybody. Now my videos are going to be, well, this is an HD camera, but I'm not going to guarantee I'm going to upload in HD because it just takes way too long. I mean, if it's a short video, like 2 packs per video, I will. But if it's something big, then I'm not going to, because it already takes with my internet, I don't know what's wrong with it, but it takes forever to upload videos. So, I've already got these open because, I tried to use my old camera, and it kept dying, so that's why I got this one. So, see, look how good the quality is. But that's for everybody's advantage, I guess. Before anybody says it's fake, these packs are fake. And I'm sorry I wanted to get adjusted to it because the lens is farther to the right than the other one. So on my camera sometimes just ignore me. Cyclone Energy, Piloswine, Poke Healer, Cherubi, Potion, Bagon, Ponyta, Bidoof, Piloswine Reverse, which is a uncommon, and a Gengar rare. Okay. Energy Switch Trainer, Scyther, Warp Energy, Ghastly, Potion, Bagon, Trico, Magikarp, Magneton Reverse, which is a uncommon, and a Sceptile Hollow. So, I don't actually have this one yet, so it's always noticeable something I don't have, and this is really good artwork on this. Really like it. I love that good quality. I'm glad I got this camera now. So, everybody, thanks for watching. Oh, and this was my old camera, by the way. It was just a digital camera. But now I got an actual camcorder, so the quality is actually better, an HD camcorder. So everybody, from now on my videos will be with this camera. And thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.